The BMW is probably the most recognizable German vehicle of all time. Now, obviously, for good reasons such as this, and this also. And the bad reasons such as this.
What the hell? Why the f would you put an exhaust like that on your car?
Now, the BMW is known for many stereotypes, but this one I'm going to talk about is probably the most popular and famous stereotype the BMW currently has under its belt, which is the turn signal / indicator. These motherfuckers don't use that shit. They don't use that. Now, literally, I've been driving for 2-3 years, and on a handful, I can count on my hands the amount of BMWs I've seen that's actually used their turn signal. Now, obviously, I know that every car is equipped with indicators, so that's ultimately down to the driver itself not using the indicators. I'm not saying there's anything wrong with BMW electric issues or whatever, because clearly it's not a Renault. So look, he actually is using his turn signals. Guys, I'm gobsmacked. I can't believe it. Look at blink, blink, blink. Oh my days. The car doesn't blow up. Gotta retract that statement then. Anyway, on to the next stereotype. Now, the next stereotype is the fact that BMWs are unreliable, which is semi-true, right? It's semi-true. Now, the only reason why it's unreliable is because you have some people that will buy the BMW and think into their head and drill it into their head that, oh, it's a German car. Of course, it's a tank. It doesn't need anything. I missed a service. I don't need to do it. 3 services. I don't need to do it. It's in a tank. Car's running fine. Come on, bruv. That's the reason why BMWs get the stigma that it does, because some of the owners don't take care of their cars. Every car is reliable once you take care of it. Okay, not every car, but most cars are reliable once you take care of it. But BMWs being unreliable, little cheeky stereotype. I don't agree with that, to be honest. Yeah, just don't agree with it. Now, the other stereotype is the fact that some people may look at BMWs as very arrogant and cocky. Now, I can't really talk for each person that drives a BMW, but for sure, the reason why I can see they'll be cocky is because the cars, what they're driving, is quite expensive. Well, the newer models are quite expensive. So, in turn, yep, they would have some sense of high entitlement above everybody else on the road, which might tie in, or could possibly tie into them not even using their turn signals. Did you think about that? Probably not. But that's another stereotype about BMWs. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. I'm so glad you guys watched the video. Don't forget to like, turn on your notifications, subscribe, share with your friends, and peace.